Ram Trucks Australia's all-new Ram 1500 has officially arrived, with the first DT models coming off the production line at the Melbourne manufacturing facility and heading straight to Ram dealers across the country. Following a detailed design, homologation and manufacture process, a test fleet of DTs embarked on a COVID-safe final validation trip around Australia. We're delighted to officially welcome the next generation 1500. The all-new 1500 DT marks the culmination of a detailed planning, development, remanufacturing and testing program with our local and global partners. The DT version now swells our 1500 range to 5 diverse models, from the price-leading Express Quad to Crew Cab, Warlock 2, and now DT versions of Laramie and Limited. The sculpted design of the all-new Ram 1500 means it is one of the most aerodynamic trucks in the world, with drag coefficient of just 0.357. It also features exclusive active aerodynamics including active grille shutters and active air dams, next-generation active level 4-corner air suspension, and powered, retractable side steps, optional on Laramie editions, to help deliver the best combination of ride, handling, off-road capability, load leveling and entry-exit convenience. The all-new Ram 1500 offers more than 90 safety and security features including, on limited versions, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, pedestrian detection, ready alert braking and trailer sway damping control, lane departure warning, park sense parallel, perpendicular park, hill start assist and LED smart beam intelligent headlamps. Every petrol 1500 features the legendary 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine with fuel-saver technology featuring the multi-displacement system, also known as cylinder deactivation, to further drive efficiencies. In addition, the all-new 1500 DT Laramie and Limited models now come with the new eTorque mild hybrid system to improve efficiency and drivability. Inside, the all-new Ram 1500 sets new benchmarks for luxury full-size pickup trucks, thanks to its first-class levels of space, full-length dual-pane panoramic sunroof, and heated and Ventum, AMOLED leather seats. Premium Harman Kardon audio system. The state-of-the-art 4th-generation Uconnect 4 system and class-exclusive, 12-inch fully configurable touchscreen with split-screen display functionality make for a high-tech environment. 360-degree surround view camera with bird's eye perspective of vehicle, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality, voice-controlled satellite navigation, multifunction USB ports and an integrated wireless charging pad add to the fully connected experience. The all-new Ram 1500 Crew Cab has been completely redesigned, further enhancing the already class-leading cabin space and best-in-class rear legroom. The all-new Ram 1500 sets new benchmarks in the full-size truck segment it first created. With a range of class-exclusive features, the all-new Ram 1500 shifts the goalposts in the full-size luxury truck segment.